Well, hello. Yeah, I'm trying to be loud. Sorry. But I never know. Well, we're going to have to do an open boxing. No, I will come to you when it's ready for the raffle. But well, it's not really an open boxing. It's more like an open bucketing. So, this came yesterday. I was so excited. If you knew me very well, you would know that, well, I am not one that likes to shake my bell very often. And I was waiting for this. When she got out of the truck, I took it from my hands. I was still excited. Because this is something I have an inspiration to do. Let's see what we have in here. Now, I have the rest of the stuff. I'm waiting for a better pump, but we're going to do both pumps. So I can show you the difference. We're just going to see what comes in here because it's a drip repair and extension kit. Now this one here I think is for a certain, it has Rainbird and a couple of different ones, but this is fine. Yeah, I got this on Amazon. I will leave you the link. I bought it with my own money. But I was told this is the best option to get started. And there's everything in here practically that you will need. This is all of your little tubing. All of this tubing is getting inserted into the major tubing. Hold on one moment, please. You know, that's actually humorous. Yes, I used to answer the phone at the doctor's office. Can you please hold? Anyway, this is the main tubing. And this was donated to me, actually. Well, there were some things that were donated. Can you see that? Let's bring you up. Here we go. That's the main tubing. It's pretty inexpensive, and it was donated by Queen City Cannabis, AJ and Anthony, as well as a tool that we're going to need to crimp it, but we'll go there later. We're just going to see what's in this box, because I also have the end piece and things for that. I said box again. I told you it said Rainbird. See? Can you see that? I can never tell. Okay, this is the fix, you know, when you buy their system to fix the stuff. But I was watching these programs and I thought, okay, what's this basically made up of? This is a lot of tubing. This is going to take us far further than just the one that we're making. So this is going to be good for replacement times. Yeah, sometimes you got to replace them. They get clogged and stuff, but I don't know how many feet that is. Does it say? Oh, 250 feet. That's a lot of tubing. Then in here, I envy some of you with your cooking channels because your visuals are so excellent. I'm working on it. I spent a couple of years working on my video editing. Yeah, I've got to get it editing, doesn't it? Alright, here we go. And after you get over the stress of trying to open it up because you hope it doesn't fly all over the place, that's what I'm hoping. Let's just make sure we don't have anything holding it up here. Just not that talented with this stuff. Alright, well here's one tool of some form, but I'm not too sure. I have a crimping tool. Let's see what this is for. This is our little stakes. These are some of our little jets. Tube filter. Can you still see? Sorry about that. I want to make sure you can see though, because you know you have little, I'll tell you what all these are for. We're not going to get also fancy with the first one we do because we're just going to make it as basic as possible. So there's all kinds of stakes to hold things in place. And these things here, see, these are going to help me. I needed to do this anyway. What does this say? Oh, they're probably color coded. Okay, this will do a 1/2 gallon per hour. This one does what's it say? Wow, I think it says 2 gallons per hour. I'll have to really look at this and check it out and see what this one says. This is 1 gallon per hour. So see, we have 3 different ones, and I think I told you that my tomatoes take more water, my radishes, my carrots, than the other stuff that I have in there. And if it was easier for me now to have this in there, I could just change it out. So if this would give it more water, then I could just slip it out of there. And I wouldn't have to be running, which one is it? I wouldn't have to be running 16 ounces of water in there to each plant every day. So this is really going to help me out, and I hope that it helps you out. But I wanted to do just the open boxing of it and show you what it comes with. And you know what we might do? Just for whatever and grins, we just might do it out of this bucket. Why not? We might use the bucket as a container just to get started with. It looks like it's a gallon. We're going to need a lot more water than that, but to get started and for you to see everything, I don't know, you can use anything for a bucket really. Any container, but you don't want it to be see-through. But that's all I really had for you here was this open boxing. I will come to you when I have more information on the giveaway I'm going to do. But, no, you know, I hate not putting things back where they belong. Oh, you've heard me say before. Yes, because I can never find them. And went in here some way. Anyway, you have yourself a lovely day, and I will talk to you later. I will bring you the rules and everything. Well, as I learn them, I'm still learning them. So, until then, I'll speak to you later. Bye.